Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be continuing on with the clicker game on Scratch. We're going to be continuing on with that tutorial. So the first thing that we're going to be doing first of all is going to be duplicating the upgrade button. So we're going to right click and click duplicate, and that will just duplicate the button, and I'm going to set it in the exact same coordinates, so that will be 130, and this will be 5, so I don't know about 5, how about 20? That's overlapping, so I guess it will have to be 0. Perfect. I don't really like 0, how about 10? I don't like 10, how about, let's just keep it with 5. 5's good enough. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And so it's automatically called this upgrade B2, which is exactly what we want. Now we want to go. Don't worry about the code. It's the exact same for now. Don't worry about that. If you really want, you can just dislocate it. But I'm just going to leave it the same. It doesn't matter. I want to go over to the costumes and edit the text in the middle. I'm now going to call this by auto eater. There we go. So now with this, I need to now edit the price. Change that location. There we go. I might actually just edit these here so the price can be a bit more accurate. So there it is. I did not mean to do that last bit there. There it is. I might lower this a bit. There we go. Perfect. So now I'm now going to also just edit this. This is going to start annoying me and all. There we go. So they're basically the same now. It doesn't matter to me really, and I'm sorry if that triggers you. So here we go, the by auto eater. So the first thing that we want to do here is obviously create a new variable. So we're just going to call this the auto eater. It doesn't matter what it is, but this will be like an automatic production. So I have to click this every time to get cash. If you buy this upgrade, you no longer need to click to get cash. You can click to get extra cash. That's what this upgrade's for, but this one will just be obviously for the whatever it's called, the auto reader. That's what it's for. So you can untick whatever it's called. You can untick it, so it hides the variable up here. And what we want to do is, oh no. So you want to rework all of this, right? You want to rework all of it. This, you want to keep this all the same. You want to make another variable called UB2 price. And now you want to switch out every single one of those UB2 prices for the UB1 prices, sorry, for the UB2 prices. So once you've done this, you can now start reworking it. So instead of doing this, click power by 1, you can just click there, change that to auto reader, and same with this, set click power to 0, auto reader. There we go. and then we want to set the UB price to, I'm now going to double this because this will give you free cash, so that's a bit OP. Then we want to do the exact same thing with the UB1 price. We want to right click large, and drag that next to the price. So currently right now says 0. Do that. It's now oh no, I accidentally did something. Oh wait, I forgot. Alright, now let's just quickly set that to 5. There we go. So now we have this here. We want to also change that there. Otherwise, what just happened to me will happen to you, and you really don't want that. So that just means people won't be able to buy your upgrades. And so now we want to do. So this will buy the thingamabobby. This will buy the upgrade for you. However, it won't do the upgrade for you. So we want the when green flag clicked, and then we want to go down to variables. Oh wait, no, we want to go to control first, and you want a forever block, and then you want an if then block. Scroll down, go to operators, and then we want to do the equal to or greater than. Which one should we do? Let's do greater than. And then we do variables, and then we can do auto eater. And if this is, oh, we also need a or one. My bad. Sorry about that. And then this one we need to be equal to. So let's just duplicate that. So there we go. Doesn't want to go in. There we go. Alright. So now, if the auto eater is above 1 or equal to 1, then it will change cash by 1 every 5 seconds. That's 6 every 5 seconds. Now, if we if you upgrade it to level 2, so oh wait, no, hang on. You just want this to be level 2, don't you? If auto eater is equal to level 2, then change cash by 1 every 4 seconds. Alright, so now let's just test this. Obviously it's 0 right now, so let's just buy a okay, so now if we buy it, okay, well something's obviously gone wrong here. Change, oh here we go. Yeah, I forgot about that, that's my fault, I'm so silly. But it doesn't work, which is bad. Auto eater by 1, and if auto eater equals 1, this should theoretically work. But I don't think it will, so let's connect that. I don't want to do that, I want to connect that there. Now let's clean up and let's try again. So we just need 50 of these. Okay, so technically now if we buy it, it should give us one every 5 seconds. There we go. So this now works, right? This now works. Hallelujah. So now let's do that. It still gives us 1, which is exactly what we want. So now if we quickly, oh, we need 100, so this won't take very long. Okay, there we go. So now if we click it, it should give us 1 every 4 seconds. Yeah, so this script here definitely works. So I'm now gonna make mine all the way up to level 3. So if we just do this, then at level 5, there we go. So 1, 2, and then this should be 3, and this should be 2, and this should be 1, and then this level here should be 5. And then if we get another one, all we have to do now is swap this card out for this, not card, sorry. And then we want if auto eater is greater than 5, change cache by 2. Wait 1 second, that is the best thing you could have, right? That's the best thing you could have. So theoretically, if we now play this game, I'm actually going to I'll skip ahead so you guys don't have to listen to this, and I'll make sure it's all working afterwards. Okay, so after a little bit of testing, I can confirm that it all works. So the auto eater upgrade does actually work, so therefore you guys don't need to test it out. It's all fine, you're all good. When it gets to past level 5, it keeps doing this, so you can't get any more than 2 cash every second, even if your thing's over level 5. So if it's level 6, the most you can get, well, if it's level, like, I don't know, 1000, the most you could get is 2 every 1 second. So it's not too OP. All you, if you want to expand this, all you need to do is just right click here, duplicate this block here. Oh, let me stop this. Change this number here, and then you can boost this to like 2, and then this right here. If it's over 6, then all you need to do is upgrade that. That's all you need to do. I'm not gonna do the same this whole thing, but I'm gonna make this go all the way to level 10. Okay, so here is my thing. So currently, right now, if you have level 1 auto eater, it goes, you get 1 per 5 seconds. If you have level 2, 1 every 4 seconds. Level 3, 1 every 3 seconds. Level 4, 1 every 2 seconds. Level 5, 1 every second. 6, 2 every second. 7, 3 every, this should be second. Level 8, 4 every second. 9, 5 every second. And then level 10, 10 every second. And then higher than level 10, any higher than level 10, you'll get 15 per second. So the max you can get is 15 per second. But then it starts to get crazy expensive. So it's all good. The next thing you want to do now is create a new script here. If I just quickly do that. Yeah, okay, the sound's still on. So you want to create a new sprite here. And then it can be anything. So I'm going to do speaker. I'm just going to grab the speaker, and I'm going to grab this to the corner here, and I'm going to set the size to very small. So it's here. There we go. So it's just a little button here in the corner, and then we're going to go events, and green flag clicked, go to, and in this position I'm actually going to set this to -200, and then it will be -150. There we go, so it's just more even numbers. Now I'm going to replace that, change those to them, and then we're going to want to set costume to speaker, and then we want to duplicate this, and we want to just create 2 thick red lines across. They're not thick enough. Can't really see them. Let's do 15. It's too long. Let's just expand this line a little bit. There we go. So now we have no sound. So we want to speak to speaker, and we want to set the volume to 100%. There we go. And now if we want to go back to events, make this a button. So I'll just clean up my blocks. When the sprite clicked, switch costume to speaker 2. Hang on, let me just do control if then, and then we want to go to operations, and then we want to grab the equal to block, go back to looks, costume number equals to 1, then switch costume to speaker 2, and I'll duplicate that. Its costume is equal to 2, then do this, and we want to do this. I do not want to add a comment. Duplicate this again. Okay, so if yeah, 0 to 0 to can't speak. And now I'm gonna add some music into the game, so this thing now has a purpose. So I'm just gonna grab. I'm just going to grab some random music. This one's fine. I'm going to lower the music a little bit, and I'll go events, when green flag clicked, sound, play sound until done, and now we just need to get a forever block, and so it's perfectly looped. There we go. So now when you click this, it's forever this. If we put a forever block in this, and then we need to this is harder than I thought. Let me just figure this out and I'll be back. Okay, so I think I found out a way to do it. So first of all, you have to go down to your variables, and we need to create a variable called speaker dash on off. So speaker slash OF. Once you've got that, you want to just untick it because you don't really need to show it. And we want to go to set up here. I'm going to just clean up my blocks. And we want speaker OF to, and then we want to type on, because that means the speaker is on. And then, or you can actually just do the set speaker to on. Is it 1? Sorry, because 1 basically means on. It's like, think of it like a light switch. When you switch it on, that's a 1. When you switch it off, it turns into a 0, because the 0 is off and the 1 is on. Basically, that's how computer reads things. It's called binary. I suggest you search into that if you want to get into computers. Anyways, we're going to heading off topic here, so we want to go speaker OF. We want to when this if it's costume's 1, then change. Actually, we don't want that. We want to get rid of these, because here we go. They don't matter. And we want, if it's on, then we want it. Oh no. We just want to do this. So now we want to go speaker OF. I'm going to grab speaker OF. Change by -1, and then this will be 1. So now if we try it, it just does this again, never mind. Alright, I am back. Now, it turns out I am very sorry, but I did it all wrong. I completely screwed up, and you didn't even need to do any of all of that. I am very sorry. I hope you forgive me. I'm sorry, I made this so awkward now for myself. I'm very sorry, I did something wrong. I hope you can forgive me. I can barely speak now. Anyway, moving on. Turns out you don't even need the speaker OF. You can delete that. Just make sure you don't delete anything else. If you delete something else, then unfortunately your game might break. So I advise be very careful while doing that. And all you need to do now is, for the speaker, just copy this. If you're wondering where the broadcast things are, just go to events, scroll down, and then they should be here. Feel free to pause on this screen here so you can copy all of this. And then once you're ready, you can unpause it, and then, yeah, I'll give you 2 seconds right now. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, done. Alright, so now moving on, once you've copied all of this, you can now go to Backshops, pardon me, and then you can go, when I receive message 1, set volume to 0, when I receive message 2, set volume to 100. So let's test this out. As you can see here, volume is working. Let me just restart it. Now if I click this, it doesn't do anything. If I click M, however, it mutes the microphone, and if I click it, it unmutes it. So if I just can just go, as you can see, I've muted it. Now once I unmute it, it should say, yeah, hey, no, I forgot that. Wait, let me just, alright, 3, 2, 1, go. There we go, so it works. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.